Good day, everyone. I'm Mike Enroseta together with John Mark Reyes, and we are about to present to you what we have learned and what we have experienced in our internship with Visible Team Solutions OPC. So we started August 11 and ended on September 22, 2022. About the company, Visible Team Solutions OPC is a local company in the information technology industry. So they provide solutions for web development within for their clients, and this includes website hosting, maintenance, but it is not limited to those two. And for the past few years, they have concentrated their services for the said two services, the website hosting and maintenance. And as as of today, they have provided another or other services such as project management and business development services.
For the mission and vision of the company, the Visible Team Solutions OPC is actually very keen on helping entrepreneurs all around the world. Their vision is to recognize visible signs of success of their clients and their consumers, also to collaborate the talents, ideas in the design community that will create success in the next 5 years. And their mission is to provide business solutions to their customers by successfully utilizing technology and internet accessibility to consumers. And e-business services and e-training is their forefront endeavors. Next slide. Nakamit ka pre.
Here's the team of the Visible Team Solutions OPC. So presented in the slide are the four notable persons for the company. First is Mr. Rene Yap, the technical director, and as well as the president of the company. Next is Mr. Terry Yap, the business director. And then Mr. Conrad Honrade, the OJT supervisor of the company. And then Mrs. Joyce Rafael, the HR supervisor.
And for all the softwares or applications that we use throughout our OJT, we mainly use WordPress as a tool for our website developing, and we also use some of its plugins like the H5P, which help mainly in creating interactive quizzes on the some of the websites that we use, and also Elementor for designing and LearnDash for course making.
So August 10, 2022, this is the day for our interview and orientation in the company. So me and John Mark Reyes together with some other interns from other sections was interviewed by Mr. Rene Yap himself with Mr. Conrad Honrade, the OJT supervisor. And then after this meeting at the afternoon session of that day, we were oriented about what we are expected to do, or what we are expected to face during this internship. So for the meetings, daily huddle and weekly meeting. So daily huddle is a meeting within the company in which all of the interns are mainly the technical team interns are required to present their report for what they have done for this day, or daily tasks like that. And then weekly meeting is a of before I move on, a daily huddle is conducted every 8 in the morning, and then weekly meeting is conducted every 4 p.m. every Friday. So this weekly meet this weekly meeting is a huddle in which all of the interns and all of the staffs are required to attend. So we are required to present uh, the progress in our internship or the task we are yes we are given for a week. And in this meeting, we are with Mr. Teriap, the business director of the company. For internship summary, I am Michael V. Rosete, company VisibleTeam Solutions OPC, position technical team intern. For the job description, here are the tasks the company gives to us. So first, testing of the websites. So since the company offers website development, at some times we were tasked to test the websites they develop for their clients. And then next is the technical task. This technical task includes the maintenance of that website we're developing, and we are sometimes requested some suggestions for their projects. And lastly is the batch and personal projects. So these two projects are usually or mostly in a website form. So hours completed 240 hours. So the first task I've experienced with Visible Teams is the WPCT course. So this course is provided by WPCT, the official website for interns of the WPCT. And for this course, we were introduced to WordPress and Elementor plugin. So as a takeaway of this course, we are expected to have an output of website portfolio. So here is my website portfolio for the WPCT course. So this is the first version, and then next one is the second version. So for this second version of our website portfolios, we were tasked to create this without relying on the WPCT course. And then for the batch project, here's the project of our team, the Kababa Jinx. So we name it Kababa Jinx. And as you can see, it is a website presenting the team and our projects, such as my personal project. So this personal project is a course utilizing the Learn Dash plugin in WordPress. And then as for the topic of this course, it is about designing 3D figures in AutoCAD 2021. Um, as a takeaway of this internship, what I have learned is that since during past years or previous years in my college, I have encountered creating a case study about no-code development platform. So WordPress is an example of that. It is a website development platform in which all we do is drag and drop some widgets from the widgets tab without coding at all. So up, prior to this internship, I have learned that it is not impossible for us to create a website, even though we are not that good in writing codes. Personally, I'm not good at writing programs or codes, so this internship or the task given by the company allowed me personally to design a website in which I wouldn't have to write bunch of codes or even limit myself for what designs I should design or I should place in my website. And that is all for my presentation. Thank you.
And I am John Reyes, and as we've discussed earlier, I'm with Mike Aaron Rosete, working at Visible Team Solutions. I am also a technical team intern at the company. And like Mike Rosete, I what I do in the company is website testing mainly, and the task given about website management, website creating, etc., and some batch and personal projects. And I've also completed 240 hours of work in the team. Next slide. So, For the, as discussed earlier, every day and every day of our work, we have our daily meetings where we discuss uh, our past works and our agendas for today, our agendas for the day discussed. And for our Well, on the first weeks of our work, we were tasked to train about WordPress, and it was done in a website called WPCT. Here we learned everything to know about WordPress and how to create a website portfolio. Next slide. And for my first website portfolio, this is what I did. Basically, I just followed what the course has taught me, and I just changed some designs. And next slide. And for this version of website portfolio, we were allowed to make our own designs, make our own ideas, and this is what it turned out. Next slide. For our batch project, actually together with Mike, Aaron, Rosetta, we were on the same group, and I also did the website of digital marketing under web development course. It is an online course which is gonna help uh it's gonna help users about digital marketing. Next slide. And this is what the website looks like, and this is our overall Gantt chart of on the process of our works. Next slide. And for my individual project, my topic is about safe driving, how to drive safely, all the checklists that we need to prepare for before actual driving, and what the pictures are my documentation and the actual website. This is also some of the screenshots of the course that I did. Inside the course, I also made some videos to make my course more interactive. Next slide. Outside the batch project and my individual project, I also did some tasks, and it's called the Power of Three Tasks, which I was grouped on another other interns, and our task was to revise the website of Tres Marias. Tres Marias Virtual Assistant is their project. Uh, it's actually one of the company's works, and we were tasked to make the website, and the screenshot website is what the website looked like.
For the requirement checklist, here are the documents that we already have. So first is the signed recommendation letter. Next is the acceptance letter from the given by the company, the waiver form, memorandum of agreement, and for this for this MOA, it is under for notarization process now. And then next the evaluation form, and then the certificate of internship. And that will be all for the presentation of the interns from the Visible Team Solutions OPC. Thank you, everyone.